따들이야, 더마른 한번 행기 삼룰이야. 아니, 첨지슈하당. 아니, 아주 양결 냠도 좋아돼 가보종 슈아이.
First of all, I would like to offer my greetings to all of you, and I would like to say that I'm very happy to be able to get together with you all again.
다드네 디진들이 유저루이므자 다드네 들이 유저게버 지두산다 니마 숨지치 네 유자네다 가장 쉬운 것이 녜리아데 니마 디스만도에 상주므로 가장 마디 초대는 마디 지만데 엔디젤이야 가장 먼저 주변의 신기 무구단 제 벌이야 계속하시지 슈아이.
So today is the 26th, and we have this teaching until the 28th, so we have 3 more days in this teaching. So what I would like to do this afternoon is begin by reading a bit more of the rules for Kagyu meditators that we have been going through. And then, as I said the other day, there are a few things that I would like to say about devotion.
테나 랍제조 유번데라 무구치 심제나 사슴 첸데라 신호순보데 청월 검다드 로자체 총매기 자제들 랩양 쳔베리부르 송데 다이게브르 쇼소소 제거의 인 시그레 칼란드에야 만드는 건 등규데 장신의 펜을 첸데베 치슈모슈 삼롱어주르 당거베.
When you arrive in a social situation, low or high, you must take control with mindfulness. One must take care of saddle sores on a horse's back. Before you speak any words verbally, you should think 5 or 6 times about whether what you say will benefit or harm yourself or others.
차리뷰 깨라리 진내야 디동기 주를 송마송 시괴바이 한주원주 밀레 니듀 혼자 니니지 러든 제메 러러지 섬두 녀베 삼삼지 루두 차보포보지 만내저기미단 디미디인 제바다 삼그.
You must think about whether or not it will bind you to this life. When you offer a prostration or tie a belt, you must examine whether or not that becomes a cause of misdeeds and downfalls. You should think like Milarepa, the lord of Dakinis, sleeping like a bureaucrat when you sleep, speaking pointlessly when you speak, thinking like a lunatic when you think, stomping like a bandit when you go. These don't fit with me, a man of yoga.
지리 곰쳔바 퇴바체를 만들베 탄연 정성로 몸베 최게 많아 tuyamba kungi chayne digbaso gomchengi shamdendo zhawe chöge mamang chöge chebe loge tuyan rewa de tsini lu yin nyamlenbe lu la nyembo de gyu jin zhenzi chebe loge tuyan do rewa yin do na semgi sem song labwe laba song go tu mik zum zemo zewe tu mi zawara nyamlen la zun zun juru chebe tsadro mikom kom jing ane nubchirnye nangawang shikobayi Tsenji Niman la Digi Lawa Chachal Chabadi Tundruluin.
Generally, great meditators do not study extensively, so they are ignorant of the distinctions between terms. If there is too much Dharma terminology, they embarrass all the Buddhas and commit misdeeds. When you go as the attendant to a great meditator, don't use much Dharma jargon. Hoping to improve your intelligence through using Dharma language is the way of scholastics. In the tradition of practice, the hope is to improve your mind by mixing the antidotes with your beings as much as possible. In brief, take your mind with your mind, take your hand with your hand. This is not the time to wrap your head, close your eyes, and play games. You should be so intent on being diligent about practice that you have hardly time for meals, going to sleep late and getting up early. Spending a day gazing at the sun and yawning widely is what animals do.
Chögi Yabo Gersambi, Puchel Yamneshigaway, Jen Sumba de Tu Dende, or Gombe Luce, Gombe Luce, Chejia, Doji Giduma, Deva, Shaji to Gomba Duge. Lama la Sundi Tamegi, Nasigi Parma Jibe. Dong Chime Lemba, Yukuwe, Shildun Jewasi, Chesam. Tema Shepherd, Tangi, Yula, Goma Gebe, Gom Chegan, Jibu Mion Das, and Sheda Lamala, Ichi Chebatella, Tap Gormon, just to get Medubandu.
What the king of Dharma, good Sangpa, said is very true. Child, you need a Dharma practice. Of course we do meditation. But have we ever sat for an entire day in meditation without getting out of the Vajra posture? Have we ever supplicated the Lama continuously for 7 days, uninterrupted by ordinary words, our face wet with tears, taming our being? If we haven't done that, when we say, meditation has not arisen in my being, I meditated, but it seems the result will not come, and lose confidence in the Dharma and Lama, we may try all sorts of methods to try and fix it, but we may not be able to.
Rangula Nyambo Chajorji, Yundan Manuate, Bergun, Shanla Gomchebe, Nua Gemisi. Tele Gawa Shencheva kept yourself, Homa Omar Bebe Dami, Rangu Baja Jengi, Shingu Nyambo Jala, Gagapshinta.
If we have never applied the antidotes in our beings for the length of time it takes to brew tea, using that as an example and then telling others, I have meditated, but it is impossible to gain any experience. It's better to do some other virtue, is speech that makes the inferior superior, that demotes the superior below the lesser. It is like when someone generalizes that others who have the antidotes must have the discards in their own being.
Dona Sanju Melamshili Minduna. Te Shendun Dongan, Rankin Yamsulabashikabi. Tena Ranji Chushavadi, Mishingi Mazorgi, Tobashi, Sunday Chanaya, Shana Momtsi, Matoever Tobanda Chingin, Chugula Magivele, Tena Segula Samba Midor, Shitum Natubjila, Noashi Magigi par Lama dem returned in. Dairy Nyambe, Sheje Tabushi Chinikeche, Rangi Kurt Zemlon Medi, Shengi Kubashi Dimro Gyang, Longmedum Bungabayin, Tena Miller Trevor Chava Cindy be Pandora Ramevashikabayin, Rangi Nua Mate Yamletela Nua Tumbe Yamletela Mississippi Gabayin, Kana and Nua gave a Lomambu, Mijuba Chava Mevala, Tarchuba Chiga Meva, Tenda Kana Milep.
In brief, even if you do more than recite the aspiration for excellent conduct, you must dedicate the benefit to others and practice it yourself. It might be as if we are afraid that others will not know that we are practicing the Dharma, so when we recite a prayer, we make a big show of it, afraid that we will not be heard. This is because everyone who does this has not developed the Dharma in their beings. Therefore, until we have the experience of not thinking of food or clothing, and not caring whether we die. It is important that to have intense resolve that we will never part from this Lama or this retreat. We must strive as if we have no time to sew our own clothes or even help spin thread for someone if asked. You must be a loner who has no hope for any benefit in this life. We must devote our entire human life to the practice that will give us experience. If you have no experience in anything, nothing will penetrate. You won't do anything, and in the end, you won't accomplish even a single thing. People like that never get anywhere.
Tena jir semjen 탐지기 나네 게 녀모 버시도 미도바 nga자와 냠네 동해 쿨유도 소아시게 대자난 가시 냠수밀레 까메 무기 서동 강요 미사 까메 버시 냠수렘바디 개체.
Thinking about how you, among all sentient beings, have not been able to overcome the afflictions, you must examine how you are surrounded by suffering. Once you do that, there is no way you will not be able to practice what you know. It is important to practice like someone who eats whatever food and drink they have in a famine.
다바지 데르지질라베 샤샤나 다 가르슬라우다 간다양 베 가스베다지 다 간다 세브 카르디 세브를 소요하래 제자들이 인주산 당에데 망보지 드시게고 하스케민 두성도스.
So that is all very clear and understandable, so I don't think there is much need for me to explain it.
단도나 최사의 다 최사입니다. 다 간다 냠렌 시두산에 지 퇴바점시 변경 말에 아나는 신지 최 러베 코아르 지게체 서머르바다 지칼 간성을 지 고르 최바점시 변경 말에 단도나 지 최의 런유레베 자네 냠렌 체네 양다 양도베 랑게 셈대당 담배 최디니 비주 자르체 아니 양다 양도베 콤진 디브 제와디 게침으로 지미다.
When we say practice, it's not all that helpful for us just to hear the Dharma, to listen to the Dharma. It's not all that helpful for us to, in some manner, develop an understanding about the Dharma. What we really need to do is we need to join the Dharma with our own being, and then we need to practice that over and over again, joining our being with the Dharma so that we can become habituated and familiarized with it. This is what is most important.
드네 주산에다 다 가르 드네다 무구 거르지다 조스 셰비입니다. 다 되려야 아니지 지당기 무구베 변 무구 사데다 오늘 계신보 베너지 가르에 그 유변들 처음이미나 무구사데 아니면 냠랭 티르지제 계신 주차리 알레디 임비네고 레라버지 민도와 드리주 산당 알아버지 미나 지 무구 베 대zam시기 다 무구 첨부로 가서 너리나 성마르다 드리지 가사지기 무구 고게 셔오나 다시 다시 연습게 요마데 대임비냐 팀비르지 디돌야 데제르 슈나 sometimes.
Now, to speak about the topic of devotion, when we say devotion, it is very important for our Dharma practice. Particularly in the Kagyu tradition, it is it's critical within our practice to have the devotion. But it is not actually all that easy to develop for us to develop that devotion. And so for us, it's difficult to really develop that extent of devotion. So sometimes when we speak about it for any one individual, it's hard to, there really isn't that much to say. But to give a little bit of an explanation of it,
다 될량 가수에 다 chö 주베게 다 깨내야 배지 tenji chi yen ro ji da ane nyeleng gi be gen ro ji na ba ni zong go ye ba.
when we practice the Dharma, we need two sorts of causes and conditions. We need the cooperating conditions and then the substantial cause.
다 되라야 tenji chi yen yoang do che we mi na 다 거 yu ko man nam ji ga shui bien a zu chang lo ji chö nyam le che chö so mo be da ba ji be na mi zang ji ge na lo ya ama sang bo ju ye bi mi na ama di gi ene ko na di bu di zu da chi lo ya chi ne na le ya lo yo ge le ya ene be khala sa chö chö ane khala chwa da den ba be sa chö chö dong chö chö lo de che de che sha ba na xin gi ane个就可能那么简单按做了呗，个车子里车上也没得事，车子车上车啊的。
So the cooperating condition is something that is provided for us by the masters, the Kagyu masters of the path, in telling us how to practice the Dharma. It's like in a family. If you have a really good parent in a family, then that parent will maybe take the children off out to school or outside and then go home and then get a delicious meal ready so that it's ready right there for the children when they come home. And in the same way, the Kagyu masters of the past it's like they've gotten everything ready for us to practice.
대야 제가 못 배기 고랑기다 로마 제 곰지당 주도 캄바부즈당 되네 주도 캄바 도지양 파무 주발라서 봐 함제 좀 대베 급질이야 아니 제가 못 배기에 키랑수 된도 아니 가와빠도 매버 제베스 드네 주산에 가와지야도 좀 망체 녜베 가와지제 키랑수 강에시다 제모 쇠쇠 키랑수 당 소한다바 지부 말이야 소한다바 지부 에베 뒤니 유튜브 좋아하지 에베 가수를 녜 쇠쇠 아 소요하네스
So once the Lord Gampopa, in a gathering of many of his students, including his nephew, Je Gomsul, as well as the white-haired one from Kham, Jusum Kempa, and Pakmo Drupa, and so forth, they were all gathered together. And Gampopa said to his students, I've gone through incalculable difficulties on your behalf. And I have done this so that you will not need to do such difficulties yourself. All you will need is to just supplicate me. So I have made it so that you will not need to, you can achieve things without any effort and spontaneously.
안다나 신기 겨와 괴상베기 겨와 괴상베 간데 송아르사나 네 추어 간데 지미냐 데베지 가르에 고아장을 마셔버치지 하고아장을 마셔버치지 강깔에 가버디 에르베 냐술래 바인스 다나신 강깔에 가버디베 겐다 세네 곰네 여베 인상 다당에 귤이야베 연된 탐제베 이문도 멀리바 소수 귤이야다 덴데베 가르에 연된 탐제 귤이야 조르드스 덴데 인두산에다 덴데베게 가르에 표순 수업에 덴데 탐제 리버티여베 인상 에네 가왕마랑 제 캐나도 상마 기부서야다 로마스 기부서야다 덴데게베 가르에 대야 수요하스.
Similarly, the great master Gutsongpa said that he had not just left his dharma as a mere understanding, but instead he had gone through incredible difficulties in his practice. And so he mixed those difficulties with the conditions and did the practice to a point where the qualities arose in his being as he thought of them. He really joined them or incorporated them into his own being. And so he said that he had gotten together all of the conditions and all the situations, the excellent conditions. He said that he had gone through all of the difficulties so that for his students, they could do it easily and delightfully.
안드레 인두산에 따뜻 가르스고르스나 다 렌지 체겐게 완도 세베이민 답에 아사말로베 찬디데브르지레스 다임빈 렌지 체겐 거유 라마 여바점식 미벤바 단년에 유소소소 준비데 시럽리아 잘레데브레스 페나 당행에 슈브나 신기 페나 아마르지기 칼라 심부시비스에 다 칼라데 오늘 심부시비 다 텔레야베 칼라베 로단 주다 베 누버 비좀 사버버 딘제 칼라 심부스에 베 사초조체 베게 지시아레 사마사테야 다 사디야 수수 사오르마도 아메야 수수 첩제 사나 펜도메베 인자 디준젠데네 다 사마사데 지 소솔레 라리데버 지레샤 데레인주산에 디준젠나시 나란주 체규기다 냠냠술렌규기베 최 에네 거규 공원남 지서마르베 덤바 대와르시가다 아지 지준 공원남지 가수에 가와 야사도만 제네 에네 베게 가수에 표순 사바제 차지여버디 다 냠술렌 말렌사데 지 소솔라 레데비치 가데 냠술렌 베이미나 냠술린 규기 튠겐데 차사 찬직 차우르 지바 드린 주산 디준센데네 아는 아주 초지네 베지 뽑아게야지당 아니지 가와 고메버지 딘데 바레스.
So what this is saying is that the cooperative conditions that we need are ready for us. They're they're waiting for us. But it does not really help us if it's just that the Kagyu masters of the past have prepared us for it. We have to do the practice. We have to be diligent ourselves. We need to use the substantial cause that is within ourselves. It's like the example I gave. When the parent makes food, the parent can make a delicious meal, nutritious, and a wonderful, good meal that will be beneficial for the children. But if the children don't eat the meal, then it doesn't do them any good. It does not do the children any good if the parents end up eating the meal. Whether the children get any benefit or not depends upon whether they eat the meals themselves. And so similarly, we have the Dharma that we can practice, the Buddha and the Kagyu forefathers have gone through many hundreds of difficulties to get this ready for us to practice. It's there, it's excellent and ready for us to practice. But whether we practice it or not depends upon us. So if we do the practice, it is all ready and waiting for us. And so if we look at this from one perspective, this is something that we can really have a lot of confidence about, and we can rejoice in this.
这里面讲，他做做的看出来，俺那种介绍的这个呗，尊重的，大别呢，俺那种母语啥的，没是母语啥的了，台湾的母语的，但母语啥的 more dedicated 什么的呗，母语啥的，台湾来都是看出来，呗看出来，老当的女边儿签约不起。 다 대바스도 사람도 조지 셈기 천안으로 조인데 그렇지 무기 시도 사나 전대비 셈기 천안 점에 봐 다가다 디 룽아기 냠랭가 토라야 바 가수에 깨야야 되지 되지 다들 인주산에 무 시도 사네 롱깅 사마르베 다 몇바시 보여야 돼 봐. 진짜지 중나 삼바를 지금 지금 몇바 쳐보여야 돼 봐. 다들 그것에도 사네. 진짜지 영화가 채도 다 룽아기 배 가서다 봐. 다 샵도 쓰는 정도 룽아기 배 좋아하게 하고 진짜지 과면도 섭섭없이 되는 인도산에 재상 딱 간다 텔레야베 소수기 된도 녀제기 최대 탑에 된도 룽아게 배 가서다지 에 셈기 손안자 뭐이바 룽아기 냠랭가 토라이 비냐 간다 배 시라게 가서다 배주시 뭐 제버지 근데지 바지 인사성
And so when we think about diligence, then there's devotion. And so devotion is like, if we compare faith and devotion, then devotion is like more dedicated. The more dedicated between faith and devotion, the one that's more dedication is devotion. So it's like it's got more power in our minds. It's like a different degree of longing in our minds. When we think about faith, then faith is like a feeling we have in our minds. But with devotion, devotion isn't just a feeling. It's not just an emotion. It's something that we have to, that we put together, that we do with our bodies and speech in practice. And so when we think about the Tibetan word for devotion, mugu, the first syllable, murpa, means to have longing. It's to really long for, it's this great longing that we have, thinking to ourselves, oh, if only it could be like that. We have this longing. And then the second part is gupa, which means like doing things, serving with our body and speech, or making it come to pass with our body and speech. And so what this means is that when we have devotion, it's not just some sort of emotion that that we feel for the Dharma that we seek. Rather, it is then taking our body and speech and putting the effort into getting this.
제가 로마에 진짜게 대묘기 대바다 매바 지금 좀바 중원이비나 라마 친이던 데바지 바지 마라베 강에르 자메데로 당하나 니바치레 데 촌나로 중스 다 가레스나 디 촌나 요가 좀스 가레스나 다 미망부지 등산 미망부지 기타 가르소레 로마 망부지 다 라마자데 라마 가와니 라마 가네니레스 라마 가와요레스 녜자 라마도 가와요레스 안 컨디스니아 오레스 마시 교랑 레코멘데이션 서머 베베지 교랑 모두를 자도에서 라마 야가르 모두 자도에서 다디 민 모두지 다 총벌을 인비네 수수용 와셔 총벌을 모두 자요 다이네 나를 딜 미세지 nga dil gawa do chezan choran dil jusen sor chabina kinzar bshalu ges jeda de mise chas kemdo chezan ye du jun disem sha de yu chezan nima ji li ya ji garan chwar de chongsu ngone je loma temin zom de bji limbina lama mira game re do sam lama minje game de bi junzen de karasana ngana sonar she karasana sangge de chunju sambat hamje be semjing de yen cha be 인진 뒤로 처리 시간에 쉬어요. 다이네 코난서 고주 처리 재산 예비네 가수디 게데 오베 마제나 고디 오베 마제나 곧나 처리 지치로 고디 상계 전서마다 치료 고제 는 고디 바디압샤 계신 가수에게 대면 그바 고디 채샤나 남상 배 참가견 상계 전주 삼바데서 참가 점례 말해서 되네 뉴스안에 양나베 무슨 용거래 양나 밀람 더버질 용거래 간데스 용거에네 다 간다라 로마 베지 대바도 메바 유데버질 임비나 라마 미니바다 미제베 셈제로 아유나 삼바르지 드네르지 용디도
So the student needs to have faith, this faith and longing. And if this faith and longing come together, then I don't think that that sort of a student will have any difficulty finding a genuine, authentic Lama. This is a thought that occurred to me one day. And the reason that this occurred to me is that these days there are often many people who come to me and they ask me, they say, I'm having trouble finding a Lama. How can I find a root Lama? Where will I find my root Lama? Can you please introduce me to someone who can be my Lama? Actually, if I were in business, then I'd say, hey, I've got this friend over here, and then introduce them to my friend. But this is not like that. In some ways, there's really nothing to do, and so I often think about this. But then one day it occurred to me that when you have a student who really has both the faith and the longing, then I think that student will have no difficulty finding a Lama. And the reason is that all of the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas are ready at all 6 times of day and night to do things to benefit sentient beings. They're all ready and waiting. But if we don't open the door, if we're sitting inside, the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas have got everything ready for us outside, but if we don't open the door, then it's difficult. But on the other hand, if you have both that faith and the longing, then I don't think that it's like they'll all come rushing towards you to help you. And so, for that reason, I think it's just we just have to open that door of faith. We have to actually open that door of faith and devotion. And if we have that, then I don't think we need to worry at all about whether or not we'll find a Lama or meet a Lama in this life.
다는 신기 소수에게다 가져에 자야 라마디 이지미지 다다베지 고초신 시험으로지 전전분리니 쇼여버지 녀바도 그 매배소시 가르사는 왜 그유라만나무 가르수는 알았잖아 코더베 응월수 만제나야 나다 응월수 만제나야 나라베 대묘 동슈께네 베 자야 라마 수니 에네 디존네 베지 원시 원시 남버타바 냠스나 데체위 미나 에네지 가수에 세지루지의 상계베인 스테네 대저비고 로마테다 녜 팔레야 데네 베 츠기 유바 고메스 츠기니 지르마 유데베 고메스 코양 대자야 라마이 대양다 고유게 로마레 주루이스 데네 주산에 디준산 데네 가수에 유바셴데 메고바 인수 드네 두산 디 균전 되네 다 소수 냠수 렌시나 제 라마 메니에밤 라마 메밤 라메 퐁베 강에르버디 메베 소르체샤
Similarly, I think that there's really no great need for, it's not absolutely necessary for us to go searching for a root lama. And this is because the great Kagyu masters of the past have often said that it was not actually necessary for them to meet them. If there's someone who had that strong faith and who held them to be who held them to be their root lama, and then properly practiced the 4 empowerments, then that person can achieve Buddhahood in one lifetime in one body. And so, in that way, they said that if there was such a student and then the lama, that it would not even be necessary for a single word to pass between them. That lama would be the root lama, and that student would be a true disciple. And so this is one way of a connection or lineage between them. And so I think that if we know how to practice this, then there will be no difficulty in terms of us finding not finding a lama, or of not having a lama, or of being deprived of a lama.
임비네 대양 가르쳐서나 따띠 가르치는 거로서나 가주에 신이다 데베 라마 지니가 말에 삼네 디 미니베 균전도 체네 지최 가주에 제 메뉴 버로 딘데게 베 셈shum과게 요마레소 다이미네 야 텔라 카타니 당에 라마땡미 라마시다 땡과 감도스 제자 디네 가주에 당에 나랑 소왔다 제자 안베 밀람나나 비디샤 디마샤 에너지 녜베 가라 암조나는 지스도 니스도 사로 딘데 중부이미네 야 괜찮아요 딘 주스타네 도낭 아주야 지 직된배 차와를 이번에 데스데스 직된배 차와파 때바 상고 현주야 제비냐 텔레 데스 지 가수를 봐 롭지 지년으로 개개는 고도아 근데 최사대 바 때는 람산 현지 아마 다디 섬규리아베 용화约定이 지금 모두 적고 드레인 주산에 디균전 때는 양예버도 지 천들의 의미냐 지 라마 현대 최당화 된 수치와의 개심 부주제 대안 지당 그 라마라 가장 고문남 기수나 라마라 남바니 줘야레스 최슈세 라마지단 캡텐스 라마지 니야레스 최슈세 라마스도 가르쳐 오라서나 지당기 되네벤 누주 명하다 제발이야 캐버여야 돼봐 탄예 장대봐 로당 시엔대버지 딘데질 총보 이미나 디자는 최슈 안디게게 가르쳐다 갈롭디스 년 제벤 저거 알았어 다오나 캡스 댄스 라마스도 가르쳐 오라서나 캡스 댄스 라마스도 산 수수 운에 전에 그배 다 간다 배 랑돌기 배 람된 슈스스는 단도 다 간다 배 수수기 루부 지사르 로에 루부 지사르 데 미디 다 템보지 냠내 용기지 거마도 카데버 지부 팽어 와마스 데레 디 냠내 용기지 귤라 벨라바숨지 냠내 예데비지 고레스 데디 shum부이네 디기 가수에 거숨 지주로 쉬위미나 아니고 야부용 거레스 시아마도 라마 인제 참에 이지미지다 가수 된데베 네 가수에 다 가수다 자외 라마 조르지 딘데지 제과야 버지 매베소지 딘데 인장 아주 라마라야 지 자외 라마 사지 용데도와 다데 용과의 균진지도 가라사나 라마만 미지를 라마만 용초래 다이메네 라마티즈야 소소스기베 최송다 메다메다 예비인지 삼성 고배용도와 간데지 제고에나삼 디 송다나지 제베네야 비기 송다데지 만다 디 디체 this go to 용 제가 디급리야네 라마 조암 라마 가르쳐야지 자외기 소수익이 비 신진서를 지들이 지금 라마 주고 오요 다 이면에 디 라마디 컨데스 타지 어르서나 다 조디 연den기 차네 개발 체도 매비네야 거진기 차네다 개발을 체지 소수 귤레야베 룬도기 연den 소수 귤레야다 계획 있음 나지마도 마제비네야 대저비 개발 친긴기 라마디 소리도 와 단도나 조조도 다디 된기 소수 귤이야 냠도 연den genge의 소리도 다 대다고 와래 다 지당 그 치기 토안에 변도제 디즈에 거진디 첨보래데 임비네 디니베 핀주지 도로 임비나 된기 런유레베 가르쳐다 럽순기 연den 개발 친긴의 소리도 와다 대거진 체체고 와르 지임베 인상 다 데르지 삼동 와르 지임라
But what does that really mean to say that? So, when you're not really able to find, what that means is that when you're not able to find an authentic Lama, it doesn't mean that you can't practice the Dharma and that you should get discouraged about it in any ways. But on the other hand, some people might misunderstand this and think that it goes the other way. They might think, okay, now I don't need a Lama at all. I can sort of, pray on my own. I can listen to things. I can put on headphones and listen. But that also...
No. No, something like, you can sort of, in the dream, somebody said to me something like that. In my ear, I heard that.
Oh, excuse me.
I'm just like related to that. I don't need physical like
Okay.
Lama.
Okay, so it's like saying that that you don't need a lama of your on your a physical lama. That if you pray to someone, then they'll appear in your dreams, or you hear a voice in your ear. But if that were so, then that would be a little bit strange. It's like when we do things in the world, when you want to learn how to do something in the world, it's not just enough to look at how someone does it. You also need someone to show you how to do it, someone to teach you, someone to guide you in doing it. Similarly, with the Dharma, it's not just a question of seeing the Dharma that we then know how to do it. We have to have someone who has experience in the Dharma who can point it out and can introduce the Lama, or can introduce us to the Dharma. And so, for that reason, we need to have someone whom we need to have a Lama that we can follow, someone to ask for instructions. The Kadampa spiritual masters of the past said that there are two different types of lamas. They said that there are the lamas who, from whom we can receive Dharma teachings, and then there are the lamas whom we can rely on for refuge. The lamas from whom we can receive Dharma teachings are those who are learned in the sutras and the tantras. They know the meanings of the words. They're able to teach them, and we can listen to them and receive instructions from them as well. But then the lamas, from who are able to give us refuge.
캡텐스티 캡텐 지디 최슈서 봐. 근데 캡텐 라마데 가르고스나 냠내 유대 주고 알았어. Something? Yeah.
So, for the Lama from whom we can ask for refuge, it's someone who can teach us properly what it is that we need to do or what not to do.
No, something like he himself have some sort of practice or real practice, not just like philosophy or idea or something.
So we need someone who has some real practice of what should be done and what not be done. Someone for whom it's not just words that they say. Someone who's not just glib and can speak fastly, but someone who actually has the practice of the three trainings. And if we have a lama like that, that's the sort of lama. We can say the primary lama who is able to teach the Dharma. And so that is what we need. Now, there are many, it's of course possible that we can have many different lamas in this lifetime, but different lamas have different ways that they explain things, different ways that they say. And so sometimes one lama will say something one way, another lama will say it in another way that's maybe easier for us to understand. And so our root lama is the one. We need a root lama from whom we can receive these teachings, someone who we're fundamentally able to receive the teachings from. There may not be distinctions in these lamas in terms of their qualities, but there is a distinction in them in terms of the kindness that they have. Because when we start out without any qualities of scripture realization within ourselves, but if there's a lama who is able to help us develop those qualities within ourselves, then that is the lama who in actuality is able to show us what the three trainings are. And that is the lama who is very kind to us. And so that is the way we need to think of the lama.
제가 디준선 때에다 간다 드레지기야 간다 담배처리야 죽을지기 라마지 고가래 마다지야지 당기기 시험은신 다 디자레 지 다다지가 라마무스지 고유서 말에 제 바질 나게 인도와질 스토아답잖아 지 랭고유서 삼바로 지든지 삼단드네 대즈지유서 말에 다나 신기 지당기 라마사들이야 가수다 라마상보주임에 최고야래 배낭 알아주르지나 아주 나서 내기 나와이미 내기 나와가 MG 채워로 라지 채워로 다 라지 채스도잖아요 라지 야부지 채워래스라다 미사메 MG 야부지 채워도 MG 야부지 채스도잖아요 남중 아주 간데 채워서나 MGD 교행경가 제대로 말아 MG 상부 채스도잖아요 MG 야부지 상부 차트네 삼다지 MG 제대로 얼마다 다 MG 관계 교행경가 세대는 MG 자냐 여기 말해 봐지 드린 유산에 디균전 때네지 MG 상부 세두산에 릭비 차 망하라고 드리지기 MG가 와도 다 다제 전에 제고야래 제상 아주 남유 다제치 사들은 도와 라마의 담바 이미 다제 샤오레스 계시 공고 충부 이미나 로중이 다제잖아 되거 다데 로중이 다제잖아 되거 대우마지 디 망부시에 사래 종교 체계 바베기 갈이야 종교 체계 바바나마 체계 바베 디걸이야 소비게 보세신 기래다 공기 로지게 바면 게 저랑 로출을 다지셔빈스 라마 상보이미 다 저랑 라마 상보 인타주레샤 nga lomar jesu sundu su shubres an jogo chege pawa lela ba jamar ba ko jorang nga lo tu ta che nge jorang lo tu ta che jorang loma sambi me ta che ba 다디 라마 카시에게 딜라 가르치면서 대다 양때 좀 고르차르스 당 고르차르스 알아들 took lots of times 최 많은 거는 봐 다지 경가 제는 별로만 볼 당 아주 tin사들이 뒤주시다 21st century 드럼이 집에 인자 뒤주시다 다 간다 디 준전 가르선 로중이 드가스 베 가르소데 뒤주 조주스고 말다 이네 다 간다 공고 중들이 다시 이나 다지 지세야다 가르스나 드가스 베 가르소지 그 가르스기도 그 가르치기도 be khalya che taji chisga mane ta dona ju sosu gi tangi imji teba na sosu de imji teba ina sosu jab tu sara mare tinde gi be karshwe yendeng gi chane samtang gor ma do be kyo ini de ne ar kyo janga che ju de na ana ba ji zabling tholya imji ya ba che nyaro chi mare de ju sa ne ti jun zen de ne 가르쳐야 다지 균샤 가르쳐 다지 현에 저거 다지 저거에 개심을 주에 다이미네 다지 제사한테 유엔데 이 차츠네 유엔데가 참망어로 주에 이미는 그때는 저거래 균자네 매대비지나 다 뒤지는 괜찮아요라 괜찮아 보시지 배 가서다 랍싱은다 괜찮아 보시 기성도 균디스 예버디 거진신 보래 균자네 매비나 괜찮아 얘기를 성도 빼나 고라 하나 주지 사실 녀월 렘베 풍부성을 왜 근데 셰바 고라라 교인시를 봐 원했잖아 이내 때 마시는 아주 라마데 때 뉴요만 때 투구요만 되는 주산 삼설 교인 연된 차를 되어래 되는 주산에 디균진 때네 간다라 다 소수기 강 소소라 강 참바지다 강 렘바르 든디지기다 라마스 된 거야디 개점으로 집이라
And so, for that reason, we need to have a Lama to teach us the Dharma in this life. It's not, as I said before, it's not okay to think that we don't need a Lama, that there's going to come some voice from the heavens that will come and tell us how to do the Dharma practice. That's really not how it will happen. So we need to have a good Lama. And when you think about, well, what does it mean? I mean, what's the meaning of a good Lama? It's like when you think about an illness. When you're ill, you need a doctor. And when you want a doctor, you want a good doctor. But when you look for a doctor, you don't look solely in terms of the doctor's defects or the doctor's faults. You look for the qualities. You see what they can do, what's good about them. You don't only look at the faults, because all doctors, everyone has faults. And so when we look for a doctor, we're primarily look to see if they have more good qualities, more good aspects. That is how we look for a doctor. It's not that we're only, so in this way, that is when we're examining, we're not only examining to see whether there are faults. And so sometimes it's said that we should look for a Lama and examine a Lama. We can examine for a Lama up to 12 years if we like, it is said. There's something I have, something I've mentioned before. There was a great master named Drunten Shugya, and at that time there was the Mongolian king Seten who became his student. And this Mongolian king said to the Drunten Shugya, I have now examined you for 6 years, and I've decided you're definitely a good Lama, so I'm going to take you as my Lama. Please take you as my student. But Drunten Shugya was not an easy Lama. And he said, he replied, well, you examined me for 6 years to see if I'm an appropriate Lama, so now I'm going to examine you for 6 years to see if you're an appropriate student. In this way, we need the Lama needs to we need to examine the Lama and look at the Lama. But these days, we're too busy to examine. We don't have enough time to do it, because in the 20th century, we just don't have time to do these things. But as it's
maybe that is long. What I thought.
Okay.
20 years, 12 years is maybe not necessary. And also, especially 21st century, we don't have time to, have time, that much time to. Yeah,
So-
good. Yeah.
So maybe in the 21st century we don't have that much time to examine our lamas, but we should examine the lama. But when we do so, we shouldn't just look for one or two faults or see if we can pick out any problems in the lama, because instead of looking, if we look for the faults, we're going to see faults. Instead, we need to look at the aspect of their qualities. If we spend all our time looking for lamas who don't have any faults, we're not going to find anyone anywhere in the world. And so, in this way, it's okay to examine the lama. It's important to do that, to examine the lama, but we need to look for them in terms of the qualities of the lama, to find to see one who has more qualities than faults. Otherwise, if we were merely to examine whether they have their faults, then that would be a little bit strange to do that. It's because naturally it's possible that they can have the faults as well as the qualities, and for this reason, it would be strange to only look at their faults. It's because we have the five aggregates of grasping, and so just because we have these aggregates of grasping, it's natural that there are going to be faults within.
사제 녀월렘 풍부가
나서.
집에 제대로 다 가신 야모다 풍부가 그런 민거심이 다 간다 전다 도도 시에는 아주 미 라마 미수스全죠 봐 미수스全 코랑 다 견실에서 받지 라산 저거 있다 맞아 녀월렘 풍부가 쓰나 다.
So with the lama who has the five aggregates of grasping, or the skandhas, basically what it means is that a lama appears in a human form, and because the lama appears in the human form, then you can definitely say that they have some faults. And perhaps it's also actually a bit better for us that they have some faults. In any case, what is important is that we look for a lama who is who fits with us, with whom who is appropriate for us, and that is the sort of lama that we need to follow.
Deda shoge zo taye ro